Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you so much for tuning in to my 2750th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, where you can always find me in my free live trading room. Traders, this video is coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday. That would be May 15th, 2024. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky. You might have thought the market was going to go up on this day and it went down and you lost a lot, right? So we put our stops in first so that maybe we only lose this much and we're out of the trade, not this much. So we put stops in, we put them in first before we enter in positions, and it keeps us safe. Please do the same. So what do we have here? Nasdaq daily bar. You've seen this chart many times, and once it got out of this fantastic channel it was in, if you recall, this was from way back. I can't even show it anymore. It bounced down, up, almost hit the bottom, top, bottom, top, almost bottom, and then it falls out of the channel finally. Ba-boom, and down we go. Now that we've started this down move, we seem to have caught some traction, and we're back above the average. Now we've gotten above this, which was a pretty big pennant flag forming. We're above that, we're above the average, and the OMNI is starting to want to buy deep dips. But there's this, you've watched it come down from the highs. I've got a question for you in tonight's video. Please answer with a comment below. Is the downside over with? Are we done? Is it finished? Was this the low? And are we now going for new highs? Answer A below. If you think we're in a bear market rally and it's going to fizzle out and give us another punishing downward move, please answer B below. I will wait for you to do that now. Answer A if you think the downside is done and we continue on with the upside. Answer B if this is a bear market rally. I will wait for you. All right, I hope you voted. Tell me what you think. We'll tally everyone's votes and we'll see collectively what my OmniX think out there. Now there is this. I think that we're starting to build an Oscarism known as the F flag right about here. Let's clean it up a little bit. This is starting to look like an Oscarism known as the F flag. And that would be the flagpole. Well, that would be the flagpole. So, is this an F flag? Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. Are we looking at an F flag right now? So there's that to consider when you do answer if you haven't answered already. So that's what I wanted to show you. The OMNI is flipped from it was very bullish, went neutral, and now is getting back to bullish again. So it never flipped bearish. It went bullish from down here, became bearish up here, got bullish again, never really went bearish since. It just went neutral a couple of times and now it's bullish again. So interesting there as well. I wanted to show that to you. We will do more in tomorrow night's video. I just wanted to show that to you at least. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com in my free chat room and like these videos, please, if you don't mind. Subscribe to my service, share these videos, leave comments below, certainly answer whether you think A or B is going to happen next, and then join me at livewithoscar.com. Traders, I hope these videos are helping. I've got a webinar. Oh my goodness, webinar, live webinar. I almost forgot to tell you, I have a live webinar on 5/21, and I think it's a Tuesday, I will be presenting for an hour live from Metastock on 5/22. There will be a link below this video. Click that link. It is a free registration, but you must register to see this webinar. There are going to be over, well, I think 40 presenters. My time will happen at 3 p.m. That could change, 3:30, 3 o'clock, 2:30. I'll let you know for sure in tomorrow night's video. But make sure you join. It'll tell you when you get there. It is a live presentation of where the charts are going, what they mean, and hopefully how we could make money moving forward throughout the rest of next week. Traders, join, click the link below, answer A or B, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Now remember, keep your emotions out of trading, kids. Say this with me, because by now you must know what that is. Stop sore in. Remember the risk. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in. Put your stops in first, and I will see you at livewithoscar.com.